Welcome back, non-consensual towing. Rolling in on a motorcycle tow. There it is. October 2022. Here's the bike. And make sure you don't flip these bikes. Bikes are real easy to flip if you ain't careful. Make sure this kickstand don't kick out on me. Yeah, if you want to steer it, you can. Okay, let down. It's okay. It should stop. Hey, thank you, my friend. Yeah, it's okay. I got it. Thank you, man. Got the bike loaded. This is what we do, man. We load them up and haul them off. Bikes are not particularly easy to tow. And that guy was nice to help me load it. He didn't have to. I could have got it without him, but it was nice of him to at least come over there and help. And he works for the property, so he's a good employee of the property. Guarantee that. We just tow them is all we do. California, what is that, man? What kind of sticker? It's expired anyway.
Office for this guy.
Yeah, you got to talk to them. Huh? You from California?
Yeah.
You California, man?
They already handled from the leasing office already.
I'm saying you from California though?
Yeah.
Okay. All right. Yeah, you talk to them. They ain't told me not to tow it.
But they're to fix it right up quick.
No, they hadn't told me not to tow it.
But they got to fix it right up.
Well, I'll hook it, man. I'm telling you. Hey, listen, don't walk off because I'm fixing to hook it. They told me to tow it. If you don't contact them, it's going to get towed. You got to talk to the office. That's all you got to do is call up front. That's all you got to do. God wants me to hang around so he can call the office and get an extension from 4 or 5 days ago, maybe a week ago. I'm not waiting on anybody, man. It's lucky I didn't hook it or have it hooked when he came out. The dude with the California sticker, yeah, I don't know if he's really from California or not. I really don't care. He just got to talk to somebody. Can't tell the tow guy, hey, wait. There we go. It's like somebody's front wheel came off this one. This ain't gonna be no easy load here. They rarely ever are. Like we got damage. We got damage on the fender well, damage on the everywhere on this side. Need that wheel that turns what I need, man. Ain't gonna happen. Huh? Nah, I just gotta turn the wheel. Almost got it. Thank you, man. Hey, thank you, man. Appreciate it, sir. Anyway, we got the wrecked abandoned Expedition. I don't know what the story on it is. I assume he wrecked it on the road and pulled it off the road into the parking lot or something. But you can't leave them here. You can't leave them on somebody else's property. Anyway, we're gone.